Right, I'm actually outside Tesco, but Dad's just popped in. Just doing a little mini vlog. Um, yeah, he's gone in. He's going to be about like 5 minutes or so. So yeah, just doing a tiny little video. Don't think it's going to have an outro to it, unless, actually, if it's not going to have an outro to it, I will at some point in the future do an outro for this. So if it just transitions to like the next day or whatever, then it does. We rode from home to here. It took 5 minutes because my dad was like, I wonder how far we can go before we have to pedal, and I ended up getting to the viaduct, and then I had to pedal, and then for quite a bit of it we didn't have to pedal. So we're gonna actually ride. So after he's done this, we're gonna ride home, which means going uphill, which that's how it is with where we live. And then we're doing a quiz at 8 o'clock. Work lot, Mum's work lot. I thought to myself it'd be quite nice for like just half an hour to maybe just go for a little solo walk. But bearing in mind, done my walk with the dogs, done this now, so I'm actually again law breaking if I do decide to go out. However, if I did decide to go out, I'd go somewhere very isolated. Because I know where it's quite good to walk, where barely anyone's going to be. May I also add, I'm not very warm, because I'm only in a t-shirt. Thankfully it's a thicker t-shirt. If I was in a thinner t-shirt, I'd be in a little bit more trouble, but because it's a thicker t-shirt, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm just going to outro it here because I am. So thanks for watching. I've been Jimmy Hudson, and goodbye.